Buongiorno. Good evening. It's Mr. Capalbo. Hey, you know, I will be making that cake, but for now, I'm going to have a very good Italiano dinner. See, my belly is not full. No, I did not make this. I know I'm not supposed to go out, but I was delivering food to all America. No, to California. We're locked down here, but not completely. Still, Uber Eats, we still are able to deliver food. But anyways, before this gets any colder, I want you to see what I call my second best friend to Italiano food. It's called the Vince's Italiano Spaghetti. Of course, I have the rigatoni, or penne pasta, a meat sauce, and a cheese bread. You cannot beat that. For Southern California, is muy delicioso. So I hope you enjoy. I'm sorry, my cameraman cannot eat this. He gets very bad stomachache. Oh, you don't want that. But anyways, this is what we have, and I'm going to eat it. It looks so good. Oh, I just cannot wait. I see my prayers, and then I'm going to eat. Thank you, and I'll hopefully be making cake tonight. If not, if we have one more day before the end of the weekend, okay. Ciao and arrivederci.